Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Yeah, hello, Dovecat.
Hello?
Funeral home?
Yes.
Yeah, I want to make some funeral arrangements.
Oh, what happened?
No, I'm just kill something.
Okay, can I have the person's first name?
Some girl.
And their last name?
Relationship.
I'm sorry, come again?
No, come I just take a girl man, so a relationship just dead.
Okay, so was it a homicide or...
Manslaughter.
Oh, okay, wow.
No, come when I take girl man, we take over. Yeah, new government.
Mm-hmm.
Some of us want to line up everything for you. You understand? Eulogy, graveside, tombstone, everything.
And the casket?
In living memory of.
No, but I was sweet him, so. Fuck him a dream, boy. Blood clot that. Oh, it's me. Of course, I'm me, bitch. You know, come here, watch you look a pussy asleep, and I wonder how I sweet him, so you know, bitch, me have to come check. Bitch, how we sweet him, eh? Cause you know we have to keep an eye upon him. Bitch, you have that pan lock down. Bitch, so we keep a man in check. You can't have a dream about the next girl, no, sir. But of course, go on back and get some rest, cause I don't want to wake up tired. What's a good boy? Dream about him, look a girlfriend. Can't go back to sleep.
Please answer.
Can't get to the phone right now.
Oh God, girl, please answer the phone, baby. Please answer the phone. Your pum pum coming like holy water, girl. Oh God, I want you off, my girl. Oh God, the thing I want me, my girl. Leave answer the phone, yo. Answer the phone. We are thinking about the time when me have beat it up and the sprinkler come on, girl. Oh God. You say your pum pum coming like you that in a world record book, girl. Where your pum pum good, girl. We can't stop thinking about the pum pum. Oh God, yo. Please answer the phone, oh. Stress me out. Me hear a fallout, girl. Please answer the phone. Oh, I'm nervous. You're timing, girl. Oh God, you're timing. Please answer the phone. I come my yard right now. I can't stop it. I have to come my yard. I got knock on the door. Oh God, I come now because you not answer your phone. Oh my God.
Right now, as a man, if you not have a girl, what tell her that she love you? I within 30 seconds, just some hate her like poison, wish her dead. You not say nothing. If you not have a girl, where when she message you, and you take longer than 1 minute for reply, she not cuss you, you not say nothing. If you not have a girl, where you look for her and say, babes, you alright? What happened to you? You see if she not look you straight in the eye, I say, nothing. You not say nothing. If you not have a girl, where I want better detective than Sherlock Holmes, you not say nothing. Why flow a messenger? You tell her you have a woman?
Migos, today we will be learning the vowels A and U and how to pronounce them. Right, Offset? Take off. Quavo, you ready?
Take off. Yeah.
Okay, the first vowel is A. It's pronounced ah. Say. Yes. All right. The next vowel is U. It's pronounced O. Say O. Yes. No, everybody say
Fresh out the bed. Can out the dead. Fresh out the bed.
You shut up. Give me one.
Stop the dynamite.
Come on. There's one rough play for my youth. That's a game play. Watch a goal now. Reggie, just stop letting it out. No, I saw him play for a game, my youth. See it now? See it? Really, man, you die. There could be a feeling to carry that.
Yo, Joe, what happened?
Killer, I was bounty Sundays.
Me no come here for any long thing, Joe, man. And the contract me come visit you. What the contract then?
Yeah, I got it right here.
Alright, this. No, sir. How are this? How who now put one bottle of Hennessy on contract for? How who to take the general find out? At this, me have to know about to the surface people, you know. As Stanley General. What be the man one day? So how Beanie Man get 10 bottle of wine and the general get 1 Hennessy? Joe, fix up this.
Carla, what happened to the booze?
I really soon enough to send you over some test. Good.
You ready? Come on.
I just got started. What you think one round can do? Bumper to your forehead. Show me what your tongue can do. If you don't have it in a waist, you better have it in a face. Bright enough for you, look out for shine you. And you don't want tears. You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a buckle of Pepsi. Your back nana use and your face look cute. Deal with me like a bag juice. I said why? Me nah go compromise. Me want feel how your head feel between my thighs. Me want looking at your dreamy eyes when you a chew on me pum pum like French fries.
Dog, what do I show now, dog? I've got turned vegetarian by you. I've got turned vegetarian.
Easy to be a dancehall artist, you know. Just tell the girl them, hurt themselves. So do it then now. Alright. Chuck reading.
Girl, go ahead. Boss a handstand. Inna the fire. Land for your hand. Cool off. Put your hand inna the fan. Wait. You still alive. Put the two under my van, baby. Put the two under my van. Hey. Me dance. Put the two under my van. Every girl put the two under my van.
Yo, why nobody know I had the bread? Me no know. Tell me. Because he's always say no dad. Loafing around. Nah, start that. Okay, Bunny, you see me, dog, speaking of loaf, my girl have some breadfruit in her dog.
Like an epiphany. It's over.
Whoa!
Wake up. Yo, my girl, what? I'm tired of you. Yo, what do you know? I don't want you to do, you know. Oh, you're not do. What do you mean by what I'm not do? Every time I'm here do for you, and you're not do for me, and right now, I want equal rights and justice. That's not different. Equal rights and justice. Oh, so you want equal rights? Who look like to you? You look like JD. What do you mean? Look like Martin Luther King Paul Bogle. You want equal rights and justice. You want to start Indicom. I want you, my girl. Who's next on the by the way? Aishana. So you could listen to some I win or some I Bamar. You want to listen to Aishana when you pay your I rent or I light bill? Equal rights, you really want equal rights. Give me half of that. You still though. Give me half of the rent. Me not have money. Me can't give you half. Everything good here? Equal rights you want, eh? You piece of shit here. More. I'm sorry, some ask. So everything good. Big up yourself. Everything good. Big up yourself. Oh, something like bubble juice. Right.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanye Clark. Peace.